Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to demo trade right here on CMC Markets. And right now the thing that you need to do first of all is go here to open a demo account, select right here the country where you're from, select here your email, your password, select here the platform, then do continue. Then after that you need to verify your email address, so go to your email address, fill in that 6-digit codes, and then you can go further. And then he will send us right here to this page where we are looking right now. So what we're gonna do from here, the first thing that you need to do is search for a symbol. So let's say we want to buy something from Tesla. Then we click right here on Tesla, and now we have Tesla standing right here. So what we're gonna do right now is we want to create ourselves a position. So first of all, if you delete right here all these symbols, you can check right here what you can buy. So let's say we want to buy Bitcoin. We click here on crypto, and then we go to the B where it's standing Bitcoin, click on Bitcoin, and now we are having here a Bitcoin chart. Then what we want to do right now is click right here on one of these, and now we are having right here our order page. So we decide right now the units that we want to step in with. So let's say we want to step in, no, I just want to fill it in euros. So we step in with 100 euros. And then right now we can create a stop loss or a take profit right there. But if we now select here, you will see here, place a market buy order with costs. So right now, if we click here on this and we check this and we do this again, we created ourselves an order for Bitcoin. So now you see standing right here, all the orders that we created. And if you want to close this order, it's quite simple. Click here on the cross, close trade by cost, and now we closed our trade. So this is how you can play the game with your demo trade account. So you can find here also a lot more. So if you click here on reset, you can also go right here to nice order shares or commodities. If you want to reset it again, you can click on ETFs and then on the countries. So let's say US, and you will find here a lot of ETFs. So you can play with this. And the good thing about a demo account is that you are exercising with trading and not with real money. So this is the best way how you can trade yourself and how you can challenge yourself before putting money in your account. So these are the things that you need to know to trade with a demo account. If you have any questions, please comment them below so I can help you out. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.